Subscribe our channel Shyam Academy and press the bell icon for getting latest notifications.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shyam Academy. This is very important class, so please do concentrate. This is the continuation class of the yesterday's class. If you missed my yesterday's class, I will drop the link here. You can watch from there. Very important concept of the aromaticity, that is annulenes. Monocyclic conjugated polyenes. These are called annulenes. Some annulenes are aromatic, some are anti-aromatic, some are non-aromatic. Depends on the angle strain and steric interactions in the annulenes itself, the property derives from the nature. So generally we talk from the number 10 and above are very famous annulenes. Annulenes nomenclature generally like this. See here, N annulenes. Here N is the number of carbon atoms involved in that ring. So that is the number N. Or you can say N is the number of pi electrons involved in the ring. So that is the N number. Okay, annulenes. So let us go to the examples for these annulenes. Let's go. It is 8 annulene. Okay. So you count the number of carbon atoms involved in this ring are 8. So it is 8 annulene. So we know that 8 annulenes are very less stable compound because there is more angle strain in the compound itself due to cis-annular or annular hydrogen interactions are very more in the 8 annulenes. So it is very less stable. Due to this more strain in itself, so it to avoid the strain to somewhat, one double bond will become trans position. This compound will be restructured as this compound, this structure. So this is a tub structure. When comparing with this compound, this is somewhat stable because here one double bond changed to the trans position so that some strain is lessened. Due to the more strain, more angle strain in the compound itself, so it turned into a non-planar structure, that is tub shape. So if it is a non-planar structure, then we can say it is a non-aromatic compound. Okay, next. If we remove the 2 hydrogen atoms in the compound, then what will happen? So the double bond will become triple bond. Then the strain automatically will get away. So this compound, dihydro 8 annulene. Okay, here also these 8 pi electrons are involving in the ring. To remove the strain, we have removed these 2 hydrogen atoms here. But according to Huckel's rule, it is still an anti-aromatic compound. It is 10 annulene. So you see there are total 10 number of carbon atoms. So we can say it is 10 annulene. Here if you see, all double bonds are in the cis form. All hydrogen atoms, so at this position, are inside the ring. So there is more strain in the ring. Ultimately, it tries to lessen the strain in itself. So this compound will be interchanged into this structure. Drawn the 2 double bonds into a non-planar structure, but still it suffers angular strain. Okay, still there are so many cis hydrogen atoms interaction. Still more angular strain. So to better in angular strain, this compound in turn will turn into this structure. Okay, here you can see that here we changed one carbon atom into here in this structure we have changed one carbon atom inside the ring. Here 2 carbon atoms inside the ring. This one. When comparing with this structure, it is somewhat stable, but when comparing with this structure, this one is more stable due to the lessening of angle strain itself of the cis hydrogen atoms. It is better in angle strain, but still it is unstable and also it is a non-planar structure. If we remove the 2 hydrogen atoms at these positions, 2 and 7 positions, a CH2 group, then this CH2 group will come over the plane that become aromatic due to the possibility of delocalization of pi electrons, and this carbon atom is not at all disturbing the pi electron cloud of this ring. So let us go to 12 aniline. Here in this compound, so you can see that there are total 12 carbon atoms. If you see, there are 3 annular hydrogen atoms in this compound. So these 3 hydrogen atoms are getting strained. Okay, that is annular hydrogen interactions. So due to this strain, so this compound became non-planar. Next, if you remove 2 hydrogen atoms from the 2 positions, then what will happen? So the double bond will become triple bond. Now if you compare this compound to this compound, it is somewhat stable compound, because so there are no annular hydrogen interactions to this hydrogen atom. So this is dihydro 12 aniline. It is a planar, but it is an anti-aromatic compound because it's satisfying 4n pi electron rule due to 12 pi electrons. If we remove this hydrogen also with an sp3 carbon atom, then this compound will get more stable than this compound. Okay, but still it is anti-aromatic due to 12 pi electrons. We can also remove this sp3 carbon atom with an nitrogen. Then also it is the example. It is an anti-aromatic compound. Take another example, 14 aniline. This one. So you see there are 14 carbon atoms in this compound. The ring volume is more, then automatically the annular hydrogen interactions will get less. So comparing to this compound, in this compound the annular hydrogen interactions are somewhat less due to the widening of the ring. Due to 14 electrons and following 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, it is an aromatic compound, but at only less temperatures. If you raise the temperature, then automatically this bond will get more strain and become non-planar, so that it will become a non-aromatic compound. If you remove the hydrogen atom by replacing to a triple bond, then it will become aromatic, so that is dihydro 14 aniline. So the structure will become like this. Next, if you remove 2 double bonds, 2 annular hydrogens with 2 triple bonds, then the structure will become like this. This is didihydro 14 aniline. It is also planar and aromatic compound. So in anilines, if the compound should become planar, then you simply remove the annular hydrogens, or we can say in other words, you replace the double bond with triple bond, then it will become planar, or you replace that sp3 carbon atom with an cation or anion. So here every charged ring is planar, and also every triple bond ring is planar. It is a trick. So that is all for today, friends. So if you like our video, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I leave cards here. You can watch my previous classes also from here. So if you like this video, please like this video, and also comment in the comment section why you are liking this video. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel. It is Syam Academy. Thank you. Peace out.